How to show specific BuddyPress member type with a short code. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to show specific BuddyPress member type with a short code. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress do not have this feature. But you can have it on your BuddyPress environment. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress member type. You can purchase this plugin on Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins are activated, go to Users and Member Types. Make sure member types have been created and some members already have a type. Next, navigate to the Pages menu and create a page. Fill the page title, select Shortcode block, and put the member type's shortcode on the body editor. We put the shortcode on this video description, so you can copy it. Change member type ID with any type you want. Copy it from the member type page. The last step, click Publish button. Let's see the result. You will see a members directory with specific member type. If we check the admin dashboard, the account that show on the directory is the members with student type. They are same. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.